Hi guys. In this tutorial I'll show you how get this bright nude color grading on your video shots using your mobile phone and VN video editor. This color grading is ideal for casual daily vlogging. We provide you an opportunity to download professional video LUT which you are able to use for your own needs and which is usable in any popular video editor, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, Davinci Resolve, VN Editor and others. First step to get this LUT for free is looking for a password which appears twice in the top right corner during the video. Second, you should follow the link which is down below this video in the description. Or, you can go directly to our website which is presetstore.com. Find this LUT. Open the page with the LUT. Click download the LUT button. Write the password from this video and click apply button. Wait for some time. And download the LUT. We got the filter. What next? Next we need to run our VN Editor app and apply this filter. Open VN, select your media content, tap Filter tab on the bottom navigation panel, tap Add button and import the filter from File app. Find our filter here and tap on it. As you can see the filter is right over here now. Let's tap on it and see what we got. Fine, the filter is working. Next we gotta correct our media by intensity and adjust settings, cause any media is different, and sometimes just applying a filter is not enough. In this step I would suggest you to play with these settings to get the best result for your case. Let's see what we can do with this media.
Are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? How can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
I think it looks very nice. Let's repeat the previous actions for other media and look at the final result. This is it. I hope your shots got much better. If this LUT doesn't fit with your shots, try another one which you can find on our channel. Or you can also get more versions of this color grading. Find the link in the description. And moreover, you can get the same Lightroom preset. The link in the description as well. Please leave your comment if you are interested in getting more content like this. Have a great day guys. See you again in the next one.